Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the National Assembly of Namibia on July 9, 2025. Here are excerpts from his speech. India attaches great importance to its historic relations with Namibia. We not only value our ties from the past, but we are also focused on realizing the potential of our shared future. We see great value in working together on Namibia's Vision 2030 and the Harambee Prosperity Plan. At the heart of our partnership are our people. Over 1,700 Namibians have benefited from scholarships and capacity-building programs in India. We are excited to support the next generation of Namibian scientists, doctors, and leaders. The Center of Excellence in IT, the India Wing at the JEDS campus of the University of Namibia, and training in defense and security, each one of them reflects our shared belief that capacity is the best currency. Namibia is among the first countries in the region to adopt India's UPI, Unified Payments Interface. We are honored to support Namibia's youth through the new Entrepreneurship Development Center. It will be a place where business dreams can get mentorship, funding, and friends too. India is ready to supply Namibia with a Babhatron radiotherapy machine for advanced cancer care. This machine, developed in India, has been deployed in 15 countries and has helped nearly 500,000 patients in different countries with critical cancer care. We also invite Namibia to join the Jan Aushadhi program for access to affordable and quality medicines. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.